Hello everyone, this is the third part of the video that I'm doing on Philip's boutonniere, on how I made the boutonniere. This is a his and hers little pick that I got in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. His and hers goes on sale every other week, so you may want to be on the lookout for when it goes on sale. It's 50% off. I'm just pulling the original floral tape off of the leaves that I just pulled from that pick. Now I cut my first leaf, and because I wanted all the boutonnieres to be the same, to look the same, I'm using the original leaf that I cut as a pattern. There's a wire that runs straight through these leaves, and so you'll see me in a minute, in a few seconds, use my wire cutters to cut that wire because it was in the way. And now it's no problem. Next, I'm going to put the two leaves together, and I'm going to tape them together. I'm using floral tape here. Floral tape sticks to itself, but it doesn't stick to anything. It just sticks to itself. So whenever you're doing the floral tape part, you want to twist and pull on the wire. I use 3 fingers to measure the stem so that all of the stems would be the same length. Now I'm just pulling the leaves apart, just getting them the way I want them. Now I'm going to cut some lace, just a real small piece. This lace is too wide, so I'm just going to cut off some of it. Now notice that I'm pinching the lace to make some pleats in the lace. And please use a low temp glue gun to do this with, or you'll burn your fingers. And plus my fingers are kind of used to the heat. Now I'm taking my little miniature closed rose that I did in video 2, and I put some floral tape on it as well. I don't believe I showed that in that second video. I'm going to take some burlap fabric, and I'm going to pull 2 pieces of twine from the fabric. Now I'm tying on the burlap twine. Be sure to leave some string on both sides of the tie. Notice that I'm leaving some string. Put a little bit of glue. Just Elmer's school glue is all I'm using. And now just carefully wrap the twine around the stem completely so that no stem shows. I'm using my thumb to measure how far to twist down. Now I'm just tying it off. And notice that I still have some string hanging from the bottom. Now I'm just adjusting the miniature rose to the to the boutonniere and just trying to get it the way I want it. And now I'm going to tie it on and twist all the way down the stem of this boutonniere. I'm going to wrap the twine around the stem. And now I'm going to tie it off there at the end of the stem, making sure that nothing shows in the front, but the knot showing in the back. I'm just doing whatever I can here to make sure it doesn't come off, but yet, you know, looks nice and is hidden on the back side of the boutonniere. Now you remember that quilled rose in the first video? Okay, putting a little bit of glue on there. Be sure you put enough that it doesn't come loose from the burlap. Okay, I'm going to clip the pin off the back, and whenever you cut it, be sure to hold on to the pin because it will fly through the air. And this pen is a floral pen, and I get my floral pens from Hobby Lobby. They are there with the wedding stuff, and I believe it's his and hers wedding pens too. And I'm struggling here trying to get it put through there, but there it is. They're all completed. And everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you enjoyed these videos, please give me thumbs ups on each of them, and thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.